morning, students. So let us conclude the remaining part of this chapter, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse by William Saroyan. Previously that we have discussed a lot about the cousins Aram and Murad, their uncle Khusro, John Byrow. These are the main four characters. And when John Byrow had come to his house, Aram's house, discussed with Uncle Khusro, and he told him that it means for the last few weeks that I am missing my horse. My horse is missing. So he felt sad for over the missing of his horse. So that time Uncle Khusro that he told him that it doesn't matter, it means no harm, it means pay no attention to it. Later on, when Aram went there to meet his cousin Murad, he told him that John Byrow, the real owner of the horse, that he had been there. At that time he told him that are you going to return the horse? That time he said that do not return at least 6 months, 1 year. That time Murad said him that it is not possible to keep the horse for 1 year, etc. 6 months, etc. That is we will do. So we have seen that before that Murad, that when he was mending the feathers of the wings of the bird, also again we could say that he had a way with the birds. It means he could understand the language of the birds, the way that he was talking with that robin bird. So that's why again we could come to the conclusion that yes, this boy Murad, who is 13-year-old, he understood the language of the animals plus birds. Next is later on their encounter with the John Byrow, the real owner of the horse. One day when they were heading towards the vineyard, they came across, they encountered the real owner of the horse, and that was the farmer John Byrow. And Murad said to Aram that let me handle this matter. It means let me talk to him. Murad said to Aram. And when they came nearer at the time, John Byrow, that he had a doubt. He looked, he inquired the horse, that he searched very carefully, that he looked each and everything. And he had a doubt that this horse is mine, which had been missing last week, from the last this week. So this is mine horse. He looked, he asked his name of your horse to Murad. Murad said, my heart is the name in Armenian language, that he told the name. He checked the teeth also, opened the mouth, and he checked the teeth of that horse. But that John Byrow, he said, because I am very much familiar with your parents, with your family, with your tribe, which is known for the trust, honesty, integrity. So that's why I don't think that you might have or you would have stolen the horse. But that time that he said, I think that this horse, but I think that it appeared that this horse to be the twin of my horse. Twin of my horse. Why did he say that this horse to be the twin of my horse? Only it means inspecting, only looking at their background, that Garoglanian family. See now, the set importance of the values in our life. Especially one of the theme of this chapter, that values are the base of human life. Though you are committing any crime, but if your family is known for the trust, honesty, some fame, so definitely nobody would believe that you have committed this and this crime, or you are responsible for this and this wrong thing, or this wrong deeds you might have did. Nobody would believe. Same thing is happened here. Though he had a doubt, clear doubt that this horse is mine, but still only because of his parents, his tribe, that he said that this would be the twin of my horse. So next morning that the boys decided to return the horse. Why? Because they wanted to keep the reputation of the family. Question is there. Why did they decide to return the horse? Maybe due to the fear or due to the family reputation. Not due to the fear, they did not afraid, but only that due to the fame of the family, reputation of the family, that they took the decision to return the horse. Next morning, when they went to keep the horse, return the horse, and they left the horse in the vineyard in the barn of the at the farmer of John Barrow, without his knowledge that they left the horse. When they were coming back, for example, that the dogs, some dogs were there, that the dogs followed them. Murad, he did not afraid, but Aram, that he said, Murad, see now the dogs are following. That dogs coming up to us, that they are coming. But Murad said, don't worry, that I have a way with the dogs. It means I know that how to handle the dogs. They would not bark. Right? Who said? Murad said. It means he had a way with the horses, he had a way with the dogs, he had a way with the birds, animals, and he also he knew how to talk with the people, because he himself led the talk to when he was talking to John Barrow, first of all. So such a boy was there, 13 years. So next, after that, next incident is coming. Next day, John Barrow, that he came to Aram's house. He was very happy, excited. Why? At last, because he got his horse back. Somebody had left the horse at his barn, and he thanked the God. He came there to inform Aram's uncle, his mother, that yes, I got my horse, and he thanked God for his horse. And moreover, that he also told them that this time that my horse, that he is stronger. He had become stronger and better tempered. Stronger and better tempered, Uncle Khusro, but as per his feature, once again that he roared, he shouted, Uncle Khusro, that it means you have got your horse back, so don't, it means have a prevail such a long discussion now. Stop talking. He shouted, he roared. So all these things are coming. So in this way, here in short, the summary of this chapter is given. Go through this in detail, each and every word, each and everything, and try to understand the summary of this chapter. If we look at this chapter, though at the end of this chapter, short story, we come to the conclusion that nothing is significant in this story. So what is the main intention, purpose of the writer? Especially, sometimes it happens. This is the psychology. At childhood, it means this is what the imagination is rich. In our childhood, imagination is so rich. We can grasp the things quickly. Grasping power is more. Learning power is more. So then, imagination is rich, and one can romanticize even and insignificant things also. It means here the writer wants to show the skill of narration. The way he narrated his own experience, narrator's experience. So that skill of narration. Next, it provides a peep into the child psychology. We have to understand what is the psychology of the children. Next comes, values are the base of any human society or the human life. Yes, it is right. We could say that. Yes, we are correct here. Without the set of the values, without a set of values, not possible to remain in the society. Just like here, their tribe society is known for few things: trust, honesty, integrity, all these things. And next coming, Garoglanin tribe. We have also discussed this tribe only because of their fame, reputation of the family. John Barrow, he did not suspect, he did not take the position first of all in the very first meeting. He said that it would be the twin of my horse. Why? Only because of this fame of the family. So this is what the effect of the reputation, and this family is famous for the last 11 centuries there for all these traits. So this is what, here is the end of this chapter, including summary, theme, everything. So I hope that you understand each and everything, go through in detail. So here we will stop. Thank you and have a nice day.